We all look for quality in every aspect of our lives every day. If you're looking for quality in an M.Tech program, look no further. The M.Tech programs offered in the Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham, Bengaluru Campus. These are 5 in number: M.Tech, Computer Science and Engineering, Data Science, Embedded Systems, VLSI, Robotics and Automation. What is special about what we offer? I would say Amrita has hit the sweet spot in terms of a balance between the academic rigor in one hand and the industry alignment on the other hand. How do we achieve this? Well, we have international experts in the board of studies that frames the curriculum. We have industry experts as well, contributing richly every 2 years to ensure that there is upgradation of these contents. Along with this, we also get inputs from the industry by holding industry conclaves to guide us in our curriculum design, curriculum delivery through enhanced pedagogy. And then there is, of course, the assessments. We want it to be not just knowledge-based or concept-based, but skill-based, which is what the industry is looking for. And this combination ensures that our graduates of the M.Tech programs are not just employable, but deployable. And this is what really adds value to the programs. Amrita is uniquely positioned in terms of holistic education. This means we always make it a point to combine 3 things. We seek technical aptitude, we have ethics, and we have impact. Now, this combination ensures that whatever we train our candidates on, our students on, it is at the same time industry relevant as well as of benefit to society. And all this is achieved through excellent facilities and infrastructure in our research labs, be it in terms of GPU, computing power, software, VLSI, workstations and hardware, research labs, for example, with radio frequency antenna, whether it's with respect to advanced communications like 5G and 6G, or it could be with respect to robotics and automation. In all of these, we have state-of-the-art infrastructure. The campus completely provides support in terms of the projects. So with this said, I welcome you all to take a look and join us in these excellent programs for Masters in Technology in the 5 areas.